नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर 8 ए हाउस इज नॉट ए होम। क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोग को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डज द ऑथर नोटिस ऑन संडे आफ्टरनून? व्हाट इज दिस मदर्स रिएक्शन? व्हाट डज सी डू? आंसर नंबर 1, one Sunday afternoon the author noticed a strange smell. Suddenly he saw smoke coming in from the ceiling and occupying the room. Very quickly the vision became hazy and they could hardly see anything. So by the time they run out into the front yard, the roof was already in flames and was fire was spreading very quickly. His mother runs back into the house to bring a small metal box full of important documents. She wanted to bring out important things from the house one by one. She was in a crazy state. Question number 2. Why does he break down in tears after the fire? Answer number second. The feeling of suffering a major looks broke him down into term. He soon realized that his cat was not to be seen anywhere. Then he had flashback of everything at once: the new school, the fire, and his cat. That was when he broke down and cried. Question number 3. Why is the author deeply embarrassed the next day in school? Which word show his fear and insecurity? Answer number 3. The author is deeply embarrassed the next day in school because he was still wearing the same dress that he wore to crouch in the morning, and he had no so as he had lost them in the fire. He had to borrow some tennis shoes from his the clothes he was wearing looked weird. He had no books or homework, and even his backpack was gone. Words used in the lesson that show his fear and insecurity are outcast and Jake, like a zombie, wanted to curl up and deal. Everything felt surreal. All the security had all been repaired away. Question number 4. The cat and the other are very fond of each other. How has his been shown in the story? Where was the cat after the fire? Who worrying it back and how? Answer number 4. The other had great affection towards his cat. He cried inconsolably when he could not find his cat after the fire. He wanted regularly go to the side of his house in the hope of finding the cat. He remembered how the cat would crawl into his pocket and fall asleep and missed her terribly. The cat was so frightened by the fire and ran a mile away from the house. One woman found her and took her in. She located the other's number on the cat's collar. However, she could not reach them as the phone had been disconnected. naked because of the fire. The woman then made personal effort effort to find the other and returned back the cat. Question number 5. What action of the school metal changes the other understanding of life and people and confirm him emotionally? How does his lone lines vanish, and how does her staff start particular participating in life? Question number Answer number 5. The school metal were genuine concerned for the other in spite of not knowing him well. They helped him by collecting surplus books and clothes. He started making new friends and also went to their house. He realized that people around him were good and supportive. He was overwhelmed by their love and cooperation. The feeling of fear and insecurity disappeared and confidence took over. Everything seemed all right now. Question number 6. What is the meaning of my cat was back and so was I? Had the other gone anywhere? Why does he say that he is also back? Answer number 6. Where the author want to point out that he ideology of life has gone a complete change. His school metal have helped him with their open hearts. They have extended invitation for their house. Their genuine concern makes the other touch his heart so much that he breathes. That's a sign of relief. He feels that the things will be okay very soon. After a month, woman come with a cat. The narrator graved and housed there. His friends were hugging the narrator. His overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. He was deeply obligate to the stranger who had brought his cat. He could not help say that he was back to his original self. In reality, he had gone nowhere, but had become executed with life due to closer loss. He felt that he had returned to his original self like the cat who come to his house. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.